What's up everyone? Welcome back again to Shasha SJ channel. Thank you so much for coming by again, and today we are going to open I got this scrapbookingstore.com, and let's go check what's inside. I'm so excited to open this. Let's go see what they have for me here. Wow. Okay. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Oh, this is my scrapbook month kit. That's interesting. A chipboard. I thought they have some like laces and stuff. You know, like some kit, they have some brads and everything, but they don't have any of those. It's kind of disappointing, but that's okay. It's fine. They have die cuts down here. Sticker. Yep, it's a sticker. It's a sticker. Houses and stuff. It's a sticker, you guys. So, stickers. A paper. This is nice. I like this. One, and then that's the back. It's Winter Farmhouse. I like that one too. Simple Stories. That's cute. This is cute. They have tons of paper. It's almost like 3D-ish, but it's not. There's no texture in there. So I like the wood grain down here. Oops, sorry. Snowflakes. Alright, I think that's it. They have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of a back-to-back decorative paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these elements where you can cut them off and stuff like that. There were 4. and a sticker. Alright, that's the inside of the monthly club kit. Monthly club kit or scrapbook kit in Scrapbooking Store. Alright, so I'm not sponsored by them, but I was just kind of disappointed because I really thought they have some of these, you know, the inside, these and this and this. I don't see any of those. So it's disappointing. As you can see, even if I look at them right there, I don't see anything inside. I don't see anything anymore. There's none. So it was kind of disappointing that they don't have that. So, yep. But for now, it's okay. They tricking me though, because the inside is supposed to be like that, but I don't see any of these. Okay, so that's the only rant that I could say. And yep, it says here bits and pieces 54, craft glitter alphanumeric stickers 304, and yep, that's it. There's none. So I was kind of disappointed about it, and I think I'm going to cancel it because this is tricking me, you know. So yep, well, you guys have an awesome day, and thank you for watching Shasha SJ. See you next time. Bye.